Question number 10 is, if 4x plus 2 is equal to 12, what is the value of 16x plus 8? This is an interesting question. Generally what happens, if a linear equation in one variable is given, we have to calculate the value of the variable. But here it is not the same. So you must be thinking, okay, let's calculate x and then we will plug it over here and calculate the value of that. Yes, that is true for sure. But let's see, is this question telling us a certain kind of pattern? If you see 4x plus 2, which is given to us, and 16x plus 18 is actually, if you multiply it with 4, you get 16x plus 8. This is my question, right? So why not try a different method? If 14x plus 2 is equal to 12, sorry, not 14x, 4x plus 2 is equal to 12, and I multiply by 4 on both sides, so this will be 16x plus 8 is equal to 12 times 4 is 48. So the whole equation is just multiplied with 4, right? So sometimes if these kind of questions are given, yes, definitely our first thought is that calculate the value of the variable from here and plug it in here. But sometimes it shows a pattern, like in this question, 4x plus 2 and 16x plus 8. This is the multiple of 4 for this. So why not multiply with 4 on both sides? And 48 is the correct option. So B is our right option.